Namaste Gurukulian. I hope all of you are fit and fine at your home. So welcome back. Physical education and sports for children with special need, Divyang, chapter 4. It is part 6. Part 6. It is part 6. In previous part we completed about the IPG, International Paralympic Games, their ceremony and types of disabilities, which type of disabled person can participate in the games. Or here we will do about the Deaf Olympics. Deaf Olympics. It is a international sports event for it is a international sports event for the people who those are deaf, bahre, hearing impairment is there. It is the international sports event for the people who or those are deaf. Second one, it is second oldest sporting event after Summer Olympic. Which one? That is Deaf Olympics. Okay. Third one, it started from 1924. First, I think they are held in Paris, France. Okay. (1924 to 1965). These games known as, the name of these games were International Game for the Deaf. International Games for the Deaf. Deaf means bahre. Okay. Or 1966 to 1999. These games known as, a different name but same, these games were known as World Games for the Deaf. World Games for the Deaf. World Games for the Deaf. Or sometime These games referred as World Silent Games. World Silent Games. 1924 to 1964 International Games for the Deaf. 1966 to 1999 is World Game for the Deaf, or sometime these event known as the World Silent Game. Okay, World Silent Game. Or in 2001, okay, the name Deaflympics adopted in 2001. Okay, 2001. Now the governing body of these games. Now we know 1924 to 1966 these games known as the International Games for the Deaf, and 1966 to 1999 these games known as the World Games for the Deaf. Sometime these games referred as the World Silent Game, and in 2000 when the name adopted Deaflympics. Okay, governing body. Governing body of Deaflympics. Here Deaflympics. In the beginning, name of the governing body was the International Committee of Sports for the Deaf. The International Committee, International Committee for the International Committee of Sports. The International Committee of Sports for the Deaf. In short form like IPC, IOC, that is written as CISS. Again that the name changed. The name of this governing body is given, again its name change, it's become ICSD. ICSD, International Committee for the Sports for the Deaf, means the International Committee of Sports for the Deaf. The International Committee of Sports for the Deaf. International Committee, the International Committee of Sports for the Deaf. Same, it is only that pronunciation, that here CISS it become ISSD. Or one more thing, in 1955 it's merged in IOC known as International Olympic Committee. Okay, or I think IOC formed 23 June 1894. 23 June 1894. 23 June is known as World Olympic Day. Now the characteristics of Deaflympics. Characteristics of Deaflympics. First one, it's for the people who is deaf, बहरा है. Okay. Participant must have a hearing loss of at least 55 decibel. 55 decibels. It is important one. 55 decibel in MCQs it can be come. No other helping equipment. We know sometimes we ear machine or these type of equipment we use, it is not allowed. No other helping equipment they can use. Okay. Fourth one, by participants or officials only signals used which are understood by athlete. Okay, which are understood by the athletes. For drug-free event, WADA is working in the event. WADA, World Anti-Doping Agency, it is formed in 1999. Okay, World Anti-Doping Agency, its headquarters is in Munich. Sixth one or last one, its aim to provide same platform like normal one to deaf athletes. Okay, same platform, same facility, means according to their demand, according to their need. We know with same facility they cannot play, they need some special facilities even more than the normal one. Events, volleyball, basketball, badminton, athletics, badminton, athletics, bowling, football, golf, cycling, motorbike race, orienteering like mountaineering, orienteering, handball, judo, karate, handball, judo, karate, taekwondo, freestyle, wrestling, freestyle, wrestling, Greco-Roman wrestling, etc. All are these, almost all are we written on the board. Some winter events. Some winter events for skiing, you know, on that mountains, ice. Cross country skiing, ice hockey, cross country skiing, ice hockey, cycling, curling and snowboarding. In that one board is there, on that they lay down, or that race is there, track is there. Okay, snowboarding. These are the event in the Deaflympics games. So we completed this Deaflympic games. It started from 1924, or second oldest event after Olympic games, or that governing body we know, that international committee for the deaf, the international committee for sports, or for the deaf, CISS, or in the end ICSC, or 1955 it merged in IOC, International Olympic Committee. Or some characteristics we discuss: 55 decibel at least, that hearing capability, and no that only signals are used, any not equipment like help for the hear the athlete, or for the officials also, it cannot be used in the events, or these are the games. So these are the characteristics. We'll see you in the next part. तब तक के लिए सभी को नमस्ते. टेक केयर ऑफ योर हेल्थ. थैंक यू.